Horses down. We've got Princess Cat past to begin. Darak in the middle. Danori inside southbound. Then followed by Mountain Lake comes next. Is Smiling Angel. Danori outside. Queen Shandok. Then next on line Home Run Babe. While Makata is the early trailer and going along for the first turn southbound by Odaneka. Moving up on the outside now is the Rock. Alang back in third, Mountain Lake, then followed by Smiling Angel in fourth. Queen Shandog in fifth, Princess Cat, then comes Home Run Babe. And Makata is racing him last. Back to the leader. Now we have the Rock by about Aneka. Danori inside is southbound. Racing in third position is Mountain Lake, then comes Smiling Angel and Queen Shandoka. Southbound, Danori inside now is Mountain Lake, and on the outside is the Rock. The Rock from the outside, in between horses, southbound, Mountain Lake in Danori inside, and followed by number 5, Smiling Angel and Queen Shandoka. As they come down in the last 150, the Rock southbound is Danori inside, but it's still the Rock by Oraling Kanehapa. The southbound is running by the second, and in third moving up Mountain Lake, but it's still the Rock by about 4 lengths now, and in second southbound, and in third position is Mountain Lake, and finally the Rock second southbound, then comes Mountain Lake, Queen Shandok, Smiling Angel.
42385.
All right.
Ganda pa po.